Is the paint on your hood fading? Do you have a classic car or even a new car? The problem is you get heat from the sun hitting your hood and you get heat from your engine hitting the hood. So 9 times out of 10, the first thing that's gonna fail on your paint job is your hood because of the excessive heat. But that doesn't have to be the case anymore. Not with SoundSkins Heat Shield. With just one layer of SoundSkins Heat Shield in your hood, you can prevent that paint from fading. Heat Shield blocks that excessive heat that causes your paint to fade. This is not a how-to video, but I just wanna show you how easy it is. Check it out. All right guys, so we got our templates cut out. We're gonna lay them down on the heat shield material, trace them with a marker, and cut them out with the razor blade. All right guys, so we got our stencils cut and we're ready to install them on the hood. So I'm not gonna give you guys too much instructions because it's very self-explanatory. Basically, you take off the back peeling, you make sure this is clean, and that's it. You apply it and you're ready to go. So check it out. All right guys, so there it is. We got our 6 pieces installed. And the first thing I noticed when we put them in is that you can feel the beefiness. It feels more sturdy. I feel like apart from the heat absorption, this is gonna help with rattling that. This makes it a little bit more beefier. So overall, this is gonna be a great product to put in your car. Whether it's a classic car like this one or a brand new car or SUV, Heat Shield from SoundSkins is definitely gonna improve your ride. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you found this video informative, please go ahead and give it a like.